Oh, hold on.
High a day. You see that, man?
My sell order, I think, just went through here on SPWH. Should it go through? This has been trading this in our Discord all morning.
Nice.
196. I'm out at 190. I'm completely out at 196.
Great job. Getting success on a day like today is no mean feat.
I think someone did call options on SPWH. I would have not have recommended that, but these are up a couple 100%. Anyway, SPWH, we've been trading this all morning. I've been trading it. I bought it as low as $1.23. Just sold some up here. I'm all out now at $1.96. And this is just a earnings re-rating play. I like the earnings report. I listened casually to the conference call and listened to every detail. I liked what I heard, and then they got an upgrade this morning from Craig Hallam saying significant upside potential, upgrading from a hold to a buy with a $3 price target. So this has been my main play of the day, out right now at $1.96, and I think I will look for re-entries, maybe a possibility of that 200 DMA today at $2.20. So that was a big success story here for us today. Another one, RCAT. Yesterday, I alerted this after the earnings report the day prior, gave a positive interpretation of that earnings report, went into a deep dive on the catalysts that are coming up and some of the sentiment discussed on that call. And I gave a price target of 714 to 726. It hit 720 this morning. I wish I did larger size on this. I had a relatively small size, but I saw some people make money in our community of that. So two big wins there in our community last 2 days on RCAT and SPWH, and great teamwork on, I guess, I'm sure you got all out at a good level. WTF. Yesterday, we were all over this from early. Big kudos to Rhett for putting this on my radar and actually tweeting out on the Story Trading account early in the morning yesterday. Will WTF be the next NMAX? And that was on my radar. And really funny story here. I was looking at NMAX, the day prior. And the whole day I was like, what the, I was cursing, what the F, right? I had no idea the next day there was going to be an IPO with those initials, WTF. And it was just too perfect. I'm like, everyone's going to buy WTF after, IPO sentiment turned on its head because CoreWeave was really bad last week. So people are like, oh, IPOs are dead. Then NewsMax comes out, does this crazy what the F thing. And then, of course, everyone's going to buy what the F. So I got in at 560, averaged up a little bit at $7. And then we had exits all the way up here, as you had the best exit, Godfather, at 27.40 or something last night. So great teamwork there. I assume you sold everything in pre-market from that pullback purchase at 13.
Yeah, when I got up this morning and I could start trading in pre-market, I sold my small position I accumulated in the after hours at 18.94. And I've just been watching it cascade all the way down to 7. It looks like we're seeing a bit of a curl here, actually. I actually just thought, and again, I'm doing this in super small size, which is why, I don't mind, holding overnight, which seems like a suicidal thing to do. And, it could certainly have been, but it was so small that I wouldn't care about it either way. But I actually just re-entered here at 936, just because I'm seeing a curl on NMAX. And it seems to have gotten out of this, halting every 30 seconds, which makes it impossible to trade. So
there's definitely opportunities in both of these still.
There's not a lot of fat pitches in a market like today when you can get whipsawed at any moment. So if you are day trading today, do it a fifth of your normal size.